And welcome back to the channel. So today we're fitting a split charge relay and a leisure battery. Bought this off eBay. It's around £55. I put a link below. This 90 amp hour leisure battery, plenty enough for what I need to use it for. Just a few lights and some simple electrics. And we got this split charge relay. This was around £35. So you've got the split charge unit itself, all the fuse holders, connectors, all the cable we need. It's a 3-meter kit, ground cable, all the terminals, heat wrap, and all these little connections and cable ties to keep it all tidy. And there's the actual fuses that go in there. So let me explain how I'm going to set all this up. So I'm going to run the live from the main battery, the starter battery. I'm going to connect to that, run a cable through there, put an inline fuse in. There's a hole in the bulkhead, can't find it now, just there. So we're going to run up through that. I've cut a hole in the firewall there. I'm going to put a grommet on that, and we're going to run down and then hopefully come out the back of the dashboard, put the live under this trim all the way down there. I put a little hole just in the corner there, so the live's going to come up there. I'm going to put the split charge relay just on the side of this wall here, and the battery is going to sit there under the bed. Split charge relay is installed. I've got it tucked down there. I was going to put it on this wall here, but then I thought, looking in this side, you've got access to it quite easy. You can see the light. You can also disconnect the battery from the little gap down there. This end bit will be panelled up, but for ease of access and, you know, keep an eye on things, you know, make sure there's no fires, that kind of thing. I like effing to have easy access. So from the starter battery, got the live going into 80 amp fuse, going through the bulkhead. Not tidied this up yet, but you've got the live coming down there, and then a hole just underneath through to there to the split charge relay. And then from the split charge relay into another 80 amp fuse into the positive on the leisure battery, and we've got a ground just going to there. I had to drill a hole for that, but yeah, nice and neat. We've also got a ground coming off the split charge relay. So yeah, that's a simple setup. So the engine's running, and you can see the light is on the split charge relay. We're getting 14.2 volts coming in on the battery. All I need to do now is put a bit of wood around the base of the battery just to secure it into place, and yeah, I'll call that a win, I reckon. If you want to install a split charge relay and a leisure battery, I hope this video helped you out. Nice and simple. Just make sure when you're wiring all this up, disconnect your starter battery and put your fuses in, this one and the one by the battery, and put them in last. But yeah, when it starts up, that light on there goes green, charging the battery from the alternator. So as soon as the battery goes below, I think it's 12.8 volts, the split charge relay cuts off, so stops your start battery going flat. But there you go, nice and simple. Hope that helped you out if you're fitting a split charge relay and a leisure battery. Nice and simple. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more videos on this build, including the control panel. So thanks for watching, see you all soon, peace.